Okay. Are you gonna not play with it anymore? Okay. You promise? Okay. I love you.
Keep going.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Well, I love you. Give me a kiss. Give Daddy a kiss. What? No? Why are you mad now? Oh. Do you want to hit me? You want to hit me? Okay. Okay. Oh, you want to hit me right there, huh? Are you mad you want to hit me right there? Or you want to hit me in there? Don't be mad at me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Time to get... Oh, give me hugs. Give me hugs. Give Daddy hugs. Oh, give Daddy hugs. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you still mad? Owie. Owie. Yeah. Yeah. Your day was rough, huh? Oh, okay. What are you saying?
You talk too much, Daddy.
Pretty much, Okay. Yeah, you're just drooling all there.
Oh my God, this is the longest talk ever.
Okay, don't touch your hair. Don't touch your hair. Okay, I won't touch your hair. What was that? Okay, I love you. You love me? Okay, I can kiss. I can kiss. Okay, go play. Go play.
I could go play.
Go play. Go play. Okay, go play. Go. Go.
Daddy wants to talk with Daddy.
You want to talk with me? You want to talk with me? Yeah? You want to talk with me? Yay! Okay. Yay! Clap, clap, clap.
Oh my God, Mom is gonna be so hysterical when she sees it.
Okay.
Mom is gonna fly here tomorrow when she sees it.
Oh. Okay, you go play now. You go play. Go play. Where's Bong JJ? Where's Bong JJ? Go find Bong JJ. Bong JJ.